Newton was such a great alchemist in his own curiosity, but his alchemy ran to try to understand what was it that linked Judaism with Christianity. And he spent 30 years of his life trying to puzzle out what was the connection. What possible connection could there be between the book of Daniel and the book of Revelation? And of course, he just didn't have the context of the vision of Ezekiel, without which Judaism and Daniel are not understandable. And of course, he didn't have the Hermetic and Philonic background, without which John's writings are just not able to be understood. If you don't have the complexity of the fields, which is the vision raised to the hyper energy of history, there is no way to bridge arts and sciences. And they split apart, they skew apart from each other, and it has such a devastating effect because then the rituals and the symbols become so skewed themselves that the normal integral solution is to make ever stronger ideological forms to corral behavior so it doesn't get out of control. And that's the very basis of tyranny. And every tyranny in the world has that atomic molecular structure.